Hey everyone. So, if you're getting the please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction error when creating a new Apple ID, I'll show you exactly how to fix this. This usually happens right after you verify your phone number and email, and you click Next to complete the setup. So, here's the fix for iTunes support contact issue. First, go back from that error screen. Now open any browser on your iPhone. I'm using Chrome here. In the search bar, type support.apple.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, scroll down and select your device. Now scroll down to bottom of the page and you'll see Connect option. Tap on it. Then tap on Contact Us. Now scroll down and tap on More Products. Scroll down and look for iTunes Store. Tap on it. Then go to Subscription and Purchase. Now you can choose your problem from here and choose a topic and tap on Continue. Then, after a moment, tap on Get Started. They'll resolve this transaction error within a few minutes. That's it. This is the fastest way to fix the Apple ID creation problem and get your account set up properly.